Ever felt like programming problems are trick questions? Today we are tackling a Codeforces problem that looks simple but can trip you up if you are not careful. Let's break it down and solve it efficiently. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a software developer with more than 5 years of experience in coding, and I am here to help you improve your coding skills by explaining Codeforces problems step by step. If you want to level up your problem-solving game, make sure to stick around. The problem drinks gives us n orange juice drinks, each having a certain percentage of orange juice. Our task is to find the average percentage of orange juice in the final drink when all n drinks are mixed together. Let's take an example from the problem. Suppose we have 3 drinks with percentages 50, 50 and 100. When we mix them, the total percentage is 50 plus 50 plus 100, which equals 200. The average percentage is 200 divided by 3, which equals 66.6667. 1. Read the number of drinks on. 2. Read the list of percentages. 3. Calculate the sum of all percentages. 4. Divide the sum by n to get the average percentage. Now let's write and execute the solution for this example. E1 equals int of input. This reads the number of drinks. Arms equals list of mapint, input split. This reads the percentages as a list of integers. Sum of s divided by n computes the total sum and divides by n to find the average. The solution works perfectly and gets accepted on Codeforces. See, it looked easy, but many people overcomplicate it. This problem is a great reminder that simple problems still need careful thought. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, drop a comment if you have any improvements or alternative solutions. See you in the next problem.